Yo, hello guys and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to actually set up a BitPay payment getaway. So, first of all, I will need you to go to BitPay. So here we go. And now what I need you to do guys is click on it. Now, as you can see, what happened, the owner of the website has banned the country origin your IP address in EMEA for accessing. So let's try to use a VPN in my case to be able to actually log into it. So click in here. This is the VPN that I'm using usually, which is called Hola. So here I'm going to choose the United States. And after that, what I'm going to do is simply click on here and let's wait, use this one. And here we go. Now to get started, simply go here and then create an account. So let's create an account which is pretty simple. Let's put here name, last name, and here our email address. Let's pick this one, and here let's pick this password. And here we go. I would like to, I agree, submit, and voila. Now all you need to do is go to your email. So let's go to our Gmail account. Here we go. And let's click on BitPay, complete verification, and here I am. So continue, and here it is, my accounts. Now, how you can actually set the payment getaway or set the payment method? That's simply easy. So first of all, you have to get the wallet. So click here to get the wallet. You can get it by downloading the app on your PC or your browser. So let's click here to download the app. And you can get it also for like your phone, as you can see here, and so go on. Let's check if it has an extension um for a browser. Let's check over here, which is simply by going to here, and let's go to extensions and then click on Chrome Web Store and check for BitPay if that actually goes with your country. So here all you need to do is click in here and get it from here. If it didn't work for you with this thing, what you could do is just open it from your mobile phone and it will be good. So now guys, what I'm going to do is simply click on add to Chrome. So here we go, add to Chrome, add extension, and after that what I'm going to do is pin it. Here we go, and here it is now. So simply now what I'm going to do is add it to my account. So here it is. Here I can see my card and etc. I have any cards, and here I can connect to my BitPay, so I can just do it here, sign in, and let's wait a little bit. Let's wait until it's fully open my account, verify are human, and here we go. So now just a second, we are setting up. Continue with your order. Okay, create an account, verify identity, order card. So continue, wait authentication. So here we go. So this is my account. Here it is. Now this is like, these are what I can pay with my account. MC Theaters, Delta, DoorDash, Airbnb, Best Buy. You can see all here, and here if you want to order the card, of course you can order it through your phone and get it. So yeah guys, that's how you can pay using BitPay with everything on PC. You can use just the extension which is pay with BitPay, and that's it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.